Hello guys, welcome back. I hope you all are fine. In this Photoshop video tutorial, I will teach you how to do blend effect in Photoshop with easy steps. Here I have already written the text. You can write anything you want. Right-click on the background layer and create a duplicate layer. Change document to new and name it. Now click OK. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus U. You go to Filter, Blur, and Gaussian Blur. Adjust the radius to 5. Now save the file on your computer as PSD file. Now close this window. Right-click on the text layer and convert to Smart Object. Now go to Filter, Distort, and Displace. Make horizontal and vertical scale both 20. Right-click on the text layer and go to Blending Options. In the underlying layer, hold Alt and adjust this. In the Color Overlay section, choose any color you want. Now, this beautifully blend is done. I hope you like this video and subscribe this channel more Photoshop videos.